iOS 18.5 brings carrier-based satellite connectivity to iPhone 13 models. Apple's upcoming is 18.5 update. It's set to launch next week, will enable carrier-supported satellite connectivity on all iPhone 13 models, extending satellite connectivity to the users of devices that previously lacked Apple's inbuilt Globalstar powered functionality. With this update, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max users will be able to connect to satellites provided their mobile carrier offers this feature. Unlike Apple's integrated solution available on iPhone 14 and newer models, this functionality depends on carrier infrastructure and partnerships. Apple's native satellite features have been exclusive to the iPhone 14 series and newer models using Globalstar to enable emergency messaging in remote areas. With the introduction of iOS 18.5, iPhone 13 users now gain access to similar satellite capabilities as long as they are subscribed to a compatible carrier plan. This move marks another step toward broader satellite communication access across more models, especially for users in rural or underserved regions. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.